Every activity, game, or sports has its regular and discipline. Some important guidelines. Yogic practice should be done in comfortable and loose clothes. Yogic asanas and kriyas should be practiced on an empty stomach. Yogic exercise should be done regularly. Yoga is attending the pose, said Mahirshi Ved Vyasa. Pranayama means breath control. According to Patanjali, pranayama is to break in up inhalation and exhalation after attaining stability in the asanas. In Sanskrit, it is tasmin sati swasa praswasa yogart vichedah iti pranayama. Inhalation of the breath of Puraka, exhalation of the breath of Rechaka, then retention of the breath of Kumbhaka. Cleaning breath, Kapalabhati Kriya. Sit in any meditative posture. Close the eyes and relax the whole body. Expel the breath and forceful contraction of the abdominal muscles. Relax. Do not strain. Continue activity, forceful exhalation and passive inhalation. Complete 30 rapid breaths, then take a deep breath and relax slowly. This is one round of Kapalbhati. Benefit of Kapalbhati. People with digestive problem and are highly benefited. It cleans the lungs and also the entire respiratory tract. It is good for asthmatic and for other respiratory disorder. Practice of Kapalbhati is to be avoided in case of moderate and severe high blood pressure, heart disease, gastric ulcer, slip disc and spondylitis. For women during menses and advanced stage of pregnancy should be avoided. Anulom Vilom Pranayam, alternate breathing exercise. Method: sit in a Padmasana or Sukhasana. Put your finger of right hand in pranayama mudra and thumb on the right nostrils. Inhale a deep breath from the left nostrils and then by pressing the left nostrils with the ring finger, exhale. Inhale from the right hand, exhale from the left nostrils in one round and repeat it 10 times. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. It helps in improving concentration. It helps in regulating blood pressure. It reduces anxiety. It helps in relaxing and calming down the mind. Limitation: do not do it in case of injury in nostrils. Next practice, Bhramari Pranayam, B breath. Sit in any meditative and comfortable posture. Assume Chin Mudra. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Produce a low pitched sound resembling the humming of a female bee. Feel the vibration in the entire head. This is one round. Repeat 9 rounds. Benefit: relieves stress and tension, reduce anger, anxiety, insomnia and blood pressure. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।